Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to learn basic Japanese word and grammar HeyJapan that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Play Store open up, and in here search and learn basic Japanese. Here it is. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So this is the interface. So as you can see, learning Japanese for just fun. Let's start. So alphabet, basic one, family, animals, learn and play from A to Z, 20 plus words every day in smart way. I can speak, listen, and make Japanese sentences fluently. I think you write Japanese just like easy game, and so on. You can even track your goal day by day. Alright, that's done. Let's install it, and while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that just studying with HeyJapan for 1 hour and continuously for 2 months, you will see the difference. So take 40 minutes every day to learn basic Japanese words, basic grammar and phrases, and practice listening, speaking. Spend 20 minutes more to revise the entire lesson. At the weekend, review all the basic words and phrases you learned during the week and earn good badges from HeyJapan. So learn basic words and phrases by topic: family, animals, food, and all topics about daily life. So Japanese words and grammars, N5 and N4, and Japanese vocabulary for communication, vocabulary with pictures, vocabulary with audio, and so on. Alright, that's done. Let's open it, and here, this is the introductory animation. HeyJapan, study with us. Updating data. Okay, choose a language, English. Daily reminder, motivation for learning never turns off when prompted by. Okay, so just no, and sign up. You can just skip that part, ignore. How about your current level of Japanese? Let's just assume that I already know some of the Japanese. So already know greeting, this one there. So set daily goals, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and you can set your daily goals, and then you can start. So there. So as you may have noticed, some of the list in here is grayed out. It's locked, so we cannot access this like this one. So to unlock the lessons, you have to purchase the pro version. Okay, so free version has limited content compared to pro version. So if you want to unlock all the contents, then I highly recommend that you purchase this app to unlock all of these. As you can see, there's a lot. Just scroll down and you will see all of it there. So there's really a lot. So anyway, let's try the basic one. So theory, unit 2, konnichiwa, sayonara. This is actually a more advanced topic. Which one of these is hello? So it's a multiple choice. And this one, checked there. Which one of these is dad? So dad is chichi, otosan. This one, checked there. So if you wanna hear it, if you wanna listen on how to pronounce it properly, chichi otosan, just tap this one here. There. This one here is if you wanna report something, if something is not wrong. Then continue, and then okay, listening skills. So you can proceed to you can continue answering this if you want to, but I prefer going back. So these are the information. Japanese, hiragana, romaji. You can enable, disable this. Font size, you can change it there. The default is in here too. So just save it if you are done, but I'm not going to make any changes in here. Okay, let's go back. Okay, and let's try the family. Okay, this is the family. So unit 2, which one of these is older brother? Onesan, Oni-chan, this one there. So if you notice, I already know the basics because I I've been learning Japanese quite some time now, and I know some of the words and how to pronounce it. So older sister is onesan there, and so on. So I'm not going to kanojo o onisan, kanojo wa onisan desu. She's an older sister there. So I'm not going to continue it. So this is actually good for basic, for beginner Japanese. If you're not familiar with their words, then I highly suggest to install this app in your phone so that you will learn Japanese starting from basics, and this will really help you in your journey to Japan. So if you're planning to go to Japan by touring or with your friends or family, make sure that you have a Japanese application like this to help you with your journey and also to avoid embarrassment situations. This one here is you can track your progress. So you can see weekly practice process. Okay, and this one here is N5, N4, N3. Okay, so it's locked. You have to purchase the pro version to unlock it there, pro version. So if you have extra money, you can purchase it, the premium version. And the settings, if you want the theme to change, just tap this one and change the theme to night. Language is English, you can change it as well. Sound, you can disable it. Website, their website. Notification manager, display, review your routes. Download manager, this is where you can download the content and read it online or use it online. Study reminders, your reminder every day, your daily reminder to learn Japanese. User manual and policy and so on. So let's go back in here. So as you can see, for the pre version, it has only 6 category. And if you wanna unlock all of this, so unlock, you have to purchase the pro version. Let's try unlocking it if it's going to unlock. Oh, there. So as you can see in here, it's a multiple choice. Kore wa sakana desu ka? Is this a fish? There. Yes, it's correct. So you have to listen and then choose the right answer. So kore wa ippitsu desu ka? Ballpen desu ka? Is this a pencil or ballpoint pen? There. So this is actually basics, and I already know some of this, so I'm just going to exit it. And let me just try to jump from the more advanced topic if it's allowed. This one here, permission. Okay, we are not allowed to open the content. We need to unlock it by purchasing the pro version. Okay, so if you have extra money, then you can purchase this app through the Play Store, and then you will have all this content unlocked and learn Japanese, so you can enjoy your travel to Japan with your friends or family, and also to avoid embarrassment situations. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.